Hello and welcome to Algoma Public Library's tutorial on macrame wall hanging knots. My name is Katie. I am the Adult Services Librarian here at Algoma, and I will be walking you through two of the knots that you will need for this grab and go kit that will be going out on February 17th. Our kit that will be going out will have a couple of the supplies already for you. It will come with a wooden doll, 8 strands of macrame cord. There are 2 colors that will be in the kits. Each kit will only have one color. There's a dusty pink or there is a gray color. So there's 8 of the long cord, and then there's a 12-inch of the same color to hang up your work once you're done, plus instructions for your macrame wall hanging. You will need a workspace, some tape to help anchor your work as you are working on it. Plus, I will have this video posted for you on Facebook and on our website. So let's go over the knots so you will know what to do if you haven't already done macrame before. So starting with the very first knot you will need to do is the reverse lark's head knot. You will take your macrame cord, fold it in half, lay it so that it's on top of your dowel, like so. Loop it down like this. Pull it through and pull it tight up. And you're going to repeat this so that all of your cords are on your wooden dowel. Putting them on like so. So now I have 2 of my macrame cords on, and these are going to be my working strands that I'm going to be working with. So when you are doing macrame, you do 4 strands at a time, and the next knot that we'll be doing, which is the primary knot now, is a square knot. So there's always going to be 2 strands that are working, and they're always going to be the outside knot, the outside cord. The inside 2 are filler cords. They don't do anything. So those 2 are just going to stay inside. So from the left, it goes, the top one goes on top, and this one goes underneath and up outside through here. So you're doing like a figure 4, and then you're going to pull tight all the way up to the top. So that's 1 knot. Now we have to do it again. Remember, we have to knot it. It's over here, so I need to go under. Go under. You can either do over or under on either side, but this one needs to go on top. And pull it up on top. Pull it tight. Just like so. Pull it tight, and there is your square knot. So as you are doing your macrame, you may want to do different patterns. You could either do it all the way down, and if you wanted to join them together, you could do something called a alternating square knot, where what you would do is you would take out the outside ones, and you would just do the ones on the inside. So say I want to do these inside ones, I'm just going to I'm going to take away the outside two, and I'm only going to do those 4. So remember, we're only doing 4 strands at a time. So I'm going to move my other cords out of the way so they don't get tangled up. Doing a figure 4. Pull tight. And then I got to do it again. On top. Make sure I pull it all the way through. Make sure I pull my knot all the way up tight. Use my fingers. I have created another row here. I finished a row. So now I have 2 rows of square knots going on. Okay, I hope you enjoy this kit, and we'll see you next time. Be sure to, when you finish your kits, your work, to share them with us on either a Facebook page or send us a picture of what you've completed to alg@algomapubliclibrary.org. Bye now.